Welcome to the next session of the course. Here you will straightaway start to write your first program in Verilog or Systemverilog. Verilog HDL. Verilog was developed by a company called Gateway Design in 1984, which was acquired by Cadence Design Systems in 1989. It got its name from the words verification and logic and became an IEEE standard in 1995 as IEEE 1364. The Verilog HDL is now maintained by a non-profitable organization called Accelera. Systemverilog HDL. Systemverilog is an extension of Verilog and was developed by Accelera as a new standard. It became an IEEE standard in 2005, which is IEEE 1800-2005. Compared to Verilog, Systemverilog added a lot of features to support functional verification of the IC, like object-oriented programming support. Nowadays, Systemverilog is the widely used HDL in the VLSI industry.